topic for revision. And what is that? E, U and L sound word. The long vowel sound of double E, double O and double L. You know when two E's, when two E's, they come together. When they come together, they become twins. वो twins बन जाते हैं and they make a single sound. क्या sound बोलते हैं? E. E. Teeth are visible, right? You also do along with ma'am. E. So this is the sound of double E. When two E come together, जब two E's together आते हैं, they make a single sound. What is that? E. E. They are happy. They are saying E. E. Fine. And when two O, they come together, how they sound? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, how they sound? Ooh. Ooh. Fine. And when two L are together, जब भी टू L आते हैं जनरली वो कब आते हैं? वर्ड के एंड में. जब टू L वर्ड के एंड में आएंगे टुगेदर, दे विल मेक अ सिंगल साउंड. क्या साउंड होगा? ल. वी विल नॉट रीड इट टू टाइम्स रीड नहीं करेंगे. ल. एज इन द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फुल. हाउ वी विल रीड इट? ल. फुल. ल. फुल. और उल. फुल. उल. फुल. Fine. We are not going to read it. Read the L again and again like l. Not like this. Single sound. Double L single sound होगा उसका. That is l. Ul. Full. Fine. So we are going to hear a story. We are going to listen to a story. मैम आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाएंगी. In the story there are some hidden E, U and L sound word. Okay, E, U and L sound word that you have to observe. आपको वो observe करना है, right? So let's start the story. So the story is about a zoo. About a zoo. Zoo. And it was a magical zoo. Fine. And a man came to the magical zoo. Then what happened? The man saw a tall tree. The man saw a tall tree. 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 The man saw a tall tree. Okay, so it was a magical zoo and the man saw a tall tree. Okay, then what happened next? The man wants to eat some food. The man was feeling so hungry. बहुत hungry था, बहुत भूख लगी थी. So man wants to eat some food. 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 wants to eat some food. Then what happened? He saw a magical queen. A magical queen. 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 With a bell. With a bell in her hand. B-L. Bell. B-L. Bell. So the man saw a magical queen with a bell, B-L, bell in her hand. Then what happened? The queen gave him the food. The queen gave the man food. Food. Now, खाना खाने के बाद, after having the food, the man went to sleep. Sleep. The man went to sleep. Sleep. Soon. Soon means jaldi se. Okay. So the man went to sleep. Sleep. Soon. Okay. After the man went to sleep, as he wakes up, जब भी वो सोकर उठा, जैसे ही वो सो के उठा, he was feeling thirsty. He was feeling thirsty. बहुत thirsty means feeling the need to drink water. ठीक है, जब हमें पानी पीना होता है बहुत ज़्यादा, तो उसको बोलते हैं thirsty. The man was feeling thirsty. So he went to fill his bottle. Fill his bottle. Then the green bottle is now filled with cool water. The green bottle is full of cool water. Cool water. So did you observe the E, U and L sound words? आपने ऑब्जर्व किया? मैम ने तो ऑब्जर्व किया है. So let's revise. Let's quickly see what are the words in the story. First word was zoo. Zoo. Then food. Then we had soon. So these were the oo sound word. Zoo, food and soon. Now let's see what are E sound words in the story. First one was tree. Tree. Then queen. And green. बॉटल का कलर क्या था? ग्रीन. Green. Fine. And the double L sound words. डबल एल साउंड वर्ड्स हमने ए, ई, आई एंड यू चारों किए स्टोरी में. व्हाट आर दोज? फर्स्ट वर्ड वाज टॉल, ट ऑल, टॉल. देन वी डिड बेल. क्वीन के हाथ में क्या था? मैजिकल बेल, ब एल, बेल. देन वी डिड द वर्ड फिल. वो बॉटल को क्या करने गया? फिल, इल, fill. And the last word was full. Bottle उसने क्या किया? Full, full, full. All right. So we revised the e, oo, and double L sound words. So watch the video and then try to solve the worksheet. It should be very neat and clean.